Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my AI Supreme review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at this product, this software, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I've carefully put together to get you the best results with AI Supreme, which goes live on the 11th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, what they have done in AI Supreme is to put together a bunch of AI software under one umbrella. And if you ask me, yes, even just that fact that you have, quite a ton of tools in one dashboard is worth paying for, if you ask me, in my own opinion. So you have quite a ton of tools that you would normally pay, monthly fees for, but with AI Supreme, you are only going to be paying just one time low fee, and it gives you access to all these tools to use. So this is a one-time fee, lifetime access that you're going to be getting with AI Supreme, should you choose to pick this up. Now, on top of that, I've actually put together some high quality bonuses to ensure you get the best possible results with AI Supreme. I'm going to run through my custom bonuses, but once again, let me let you understand what these tools are. So you are getting access to up to 25 tools in one dashboard that you are going to be able to use to basically create any form of content that you want to. You are going to be getting access to scroll stopping graphics with 1,500 templates that you can easily, customize right in this dashboard. Also, you are going to be getting access to alternatives to Mid-Journey that allows you to just put in a few words and then it converts it into picture for you. You just have a text prompt, convert into picture for you. DALL-E, Leonardo, you are going to get access to all that under one dashboard. And also, you are also going to be getting access to several stunning website templates that you can use. You are also going to get access to several funnel templates that you can use. You get access to 150 plus done for you stunning templates that you can actually use to create your own pages, your own templates, everything under one dashboard. Now, what about creating ready to use videos, creating shorts, creating Instagram reels, creating Facebook short stories, and all those kind of videos? You are going to get access to a tool that allows you to create this kind of videos. Of course, you get access to AI that replaces ChatGPT 4.0, Gemini, Jasper. You are going to be getting access to also text to speech. And if you look at the number of tools you are going to be getting access to for a one-time low fee lifetime access, I think it's worth it, if you ask me for my own honest opinion about this. So on top of that, I'm giving you access to 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts that allows you to, it just allows you to use some creativity to get better results when you're actually speaking to ChatGPT. You're also going to be getting access to 700 plus ready-made courses and sales funnels. This one comes with PLR license, meaning you can basically, you get the sales pages, the course itself and everything, which means you can customize this, change the name if you want, and sell it as your own, you dictating the price. 10,000 plus responsive themes and plugins. These include WordPress themes, WordPress plugins, Shopify themes, PHP scripts, HTML websites that you can just use, and easily customize for yourself. You'll be getting access to 5,000 plus social media templates, Facebook and Instagram templates you can customize with Canva or with Photoshop, plus a ton of other cloud-based traffic pooling softwares that you can actually use and profit Also training that shows you how to create your own WordPress website. If you have zero experience with website creation or web designing, and you want to start doing this for yourself or even doing this for businesses for your own profit, you're going to find out exactly how to do that here without writing a single line of code. This is coming from someone with over 10 years experience as a website designer for businesses. Also, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses that are going to be waiting for you in the members area. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your members area of Warrior Plus, which is where AI Supreme is being sold. Once you go to your product, where you're going to access your product, you're going to see another blue link that goes to my own bonuses, and you're going to be able to pick them up instantly after your purchase. Now, to go to the sales page, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of AI Supreme, where you're going to be able to pick it up. And here it says, witness the new Tesla of all business apps. Revolutionary brand new AI tech replaces over 25 plus complicated and expensive apps like Adobe Premiere, InShot, Lovo and Mov, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Gemini, and you get quite a ton of AI tools here to use for just a one-time low fee. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, you are going to find the link to my bonus page right below. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.